This is a tutorial for an origami tulip knot. It is such a pretty knot to wear because it has very little ruffles and the shape is round and flattering. Before we start this fun tutorial, I would like to make an announcement. My book on how to wear a scarf in a modern way is available for purchase on both Amazon and issue.com. It comes with audio and video tutorials that will enhance the learning experience. These are just a few of the original and creative knots that are included in the book. Now let's start this tutorial with a square scarf. Fold it in a triangle. Fold it down about 2 to 3 inches. Make pleated folds on the hemline about 1.5 inches in each fold. Secure the pleated folds by tying a knot around it. Make sure that the knot is tightened. Next, we unfold the pleats by pulling both ends. Open up the hemline to make ruffles. Next, slide the tip of the tail into the knot. Now it looks like a flower with 2 stems. Adjust the neckline to make it look fuller and showcase the scarf.